cool. What do you got there? You got a rabbit, huh? I'm a lot farther than I look. Just have a nice camera. I can really zoom in. I'm trying to figure out if he's gonna take it somewhere or eat it there. It's pretty fucking cool. Looks like he's dragging it away to eat it. Those rabbits are almost as big as Cheesy. Yeah, there he goes. Bye-bye, Hawk. Have a nice dinner.